As you can see, I have downloaded this Adobe stock template, but here it's written PSDT, and when you try to open, it won't open as it shows this error. So how to fix this? First, just right click on the file, rename, and I want you to remove T from the end, from the PSDT. Remove T. Press enter. Use.pst. Now let's see. Try to open it. See, it's completely fine. It's working. If you want the proof, let's try for this thing. I downloaded it and it's mentioned PSDT. I'm trying to double click. It's not opening. So just do right click, rename, remove T from the end, use.pst. Voila. It's completely working.